So it's time for you to decide what badminton playstyle is the most suitable for you. Today I'm going to tell you the 5 playstyles that you can start implementing into your badminton singles games. Try them all and see which one is the most suitable for you. Without further ado, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and let's get into the video. Our first style is the clear drop speed style. Now what's the difference between a clear drop for beginners and professionals? Clear drop for beginners is you're just trying to move your opponent around the court. Clear drop for professionals like Ginting, like some Korean players, they really move their opponent. One is to fatigue their opponent to make mistakes. Second, like Ginting, is to move your opponent across court so fast that they'll hit bad shots, which you then go for the tackle. Our second style is more of a double style. It's going to be a doubles flat style like Taufik Hidayat. Now you see, Taufik loves to hit drives in his gameplay. He loves to hit drives. He hits most of his shots flat actually, but in the backcourt, usually his recovery shots will always be flat sweeping drives, and even his defense, flat blocks, drive defenses. So he's hitting everything very flat to enter that drive. One is that he can move less around the court because everything is super far. Second, when everything's flat, the lifts and clears, everything will come up flatter and lower, giving him a better opportunity to attack. Our third playstyle is going to be a counter-attack playstyle like Kento Momota. Now, his stance for Kento Momota, he likes to stand in a pretty wide stance because most of the time he likes to defend. When he's in this defensive stance, he likes to, one, of course, when people hit that shot, he likes to hit very tight defensive shots. So he'll hit it very tight, and when that's good, people are gonna come and lift out of position. And that's when he comes, turns with this fluid smash, and boom, wins the point. And if needed, come up and follow with a kill. Our fourth style is going to be the attacking play style. Now, one prime example of someone who's doing this right now in the modern badminton era is Viktor Axelsen. What he really focuses on is trying to find that attack. Whether people are in their defensive backhands and he's waiting at the net to pounce, whether people are in these clear positions and he's waiting to move back to go for the attack, Viktor Axelsen is always on the hunt for attack. Same as Lin Dan. These two are very attacking playstyles people, but of course they sacrifice a little bit of their defense. You'll see that Lin Dan dives very often. That's because he's sacrificing his defensive positions in order to get into more attacking positions. So the attacking playstyle is very good if you do have that speed injection, or like Viktor Axelsen, the height, to be able to hit those very good attacking shots, and you're always hunting to win that winning smash. And our last playstyle is a defensive and steady playstyle like Chen Long. And when you see him play, he never really puts himself out of position. He plays in a very neutral way that when he hits, he's always super able to get back into position. Even his attacks, him attacking is not like other people like Viktor Axelsen after the attack to get out of position. But when Chen Long attacks, boom, he's right back into position. He's really focused on being ready all the time. And you're reducing your error rate and increasing your defense, your attack, your readiness to get ready for the next shot.